Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to take a look at the Lumberjack electric hair trimmer made by Happy Nuts. What makes this hair trimmer any different than any other hair trimmer out there? Well, I think there's a few things that make this hair trimmer better than a lot of the other hair trimmers out there. First of all, it has got a special blade technology on it that does not grab skin. So if you were using this down in your private parts, which is, by the way, that is why it's called Happy Nuts, it's really made for private parts, especially for men. So it doesn't grab skin. That is a big plus, because if you've ever used a regular hair trimmer that grabs skin, it can be extremely painful. This has a technology that helps that not happen. Now, another thing that I really like about this, probably my most favorite aspect of using this trimmer, is the fact that it is 100% waterproof. I can use it in the shower. If I'm not using it in the shower and say I'm trimming chest hair, arm hair, anywhere else, and if I've got hair all over the unit, I can actually just rinse it underneath the water and get it clean again. So those are some of the things that make this very, very unique. Now, when you get this unit, it's going to come in a nice box like this. I've got everything taken out just so that we can go ahead and take a quick look at it and see what you really get and not waste a lot of time ripping the box open. So the very first thing I'll point out is it does come with a nice little instruction manual. And the instruction manual in this one, at least, you can actually read it. A lot of these things that I get, I cannot read the manuals. The print is so incredibly small that you just can't see it. You have to go get cheaters out. Well, this one you can read it. It's also going to have a little scan code right in the very front, a QR code, to where you can extend your warranty right off the bat and it will register the unit, which is kind of nice. It's a really quick function. So you're going to get the main unit. And by the way, when you get it, this is straight out of the box, not charged by me yet, but it does have a charge. Now, I would recommend charging the unit and get a full charge. I have not read the full instructions yet. I just pulled it out. But I would imagine they're going to tell me that there's a certain amount of time you need to charge it before you use it. Anytime you use a battery-operated anything, you generally will charge it fully and you will decharge it all the way, at least the first cycle. And that makes your system work much better in the future. So looking at the actual unit itself, though, the one thing I will tell you is it's very smooth and easy to hold. It only has one button operation, which is extremely nice. And the charging port is at the very bottom, which is going to be the USB-C port right here. It's simply just going to slide in, and then you will have to have either a block or a adapter already built into your plug to plug this in and charge it. Now, you don't have to plug it in the bathroom. You can plug it anywhere and charge it that you happen to have that USB-C port. So we're going to set that aside. The next thing is they give you a cleaning brush to be able to clean out the end if you need to. And they're going to give you a couple of the little guards. Now, these guards are going to be numbered in a range. Like this one, trying to take a good look at it here. This is a 1, 3, and a 5. And why it says 1, 3, and a 5 is when you put it on, you can adjust this back and forth. It has a little thumb mark here, and you can slide it forward or backwards. And how it goes on is if you look here around your stainless blade area, there's a guard on that blade. You're going to take this and push it tight up against that little guard, and you just click it into place, and it is now on. Now I can adjust it by sliding it down or sliding it up, just like that, so I can go through the different ranges. The other guard works just the same, except it's a little bit larger guard, and this one is going to be a 7 through 9 through 11. So 7, 9, and 11, and it'll adjust the exact same way. Now, this unit gives you one other little added feature. It gives you the nose and the ear trimmer. And how this works, it's super simple. You just grab the end and these just pull right off. Set it over here and you go to put this one on. And when you go to put it, you have a flat side and a round side. Just look close at the unit, the motor, and you're going to line that up and you just slide it into place. And now it's ready to go. That quick. By the way, it's extremely quiet. Pull this one back off. And I'm going to put this one back on. So there we go. And we are working. You can hardly even hear that running. Ladies, if you're wanting a good gift for Christmas for your guy at home, you can't beat this. Pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you guys on the next review.